In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a website in Wix as a PDF, offering a simple and efficient method to capture your site's layout and content for easy offline access. Whether you're trying to archive your work, share it with others, or just want a steady reference that isn't reliant on an internet connection, saving your website as a PDF can be incredibly useful. To get started, ensure that you're logged into your Wix account. Once you've gained access, the next step is to navigate to the Wix website that you aim to save. Carefully locate and click on the icon or link that takes you to your specific site you'd like to convert. Once you're on the desired page, ensure that everything appears exactly as you want it to in the PDF, as the appearance will be captured exactly as viewed on your screen. With your website page loaded and ready, the next action requires a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows or are on a compatible system, press the Control key along with the letter P. For those of you on a Mac, you'll want to use Command instead. This combination of keys is universally recognized across most platforms and browsers to bring up the print menu, so it should feel quite intuitive to you when you do it. Once you press these keys, a print dialog box will appear on your screen, showing numerous options related to printing. The crucial part here is to direct your attention towards the destination section in this dialog box. Typically, you will see a default printer listed, or it may even prompt you to select one. What you want to do is click on the options provided under Destination. From there, you'll find a selection labeled Save as PDF. This is the setting you will need to choose to achieve your goal of saving the website as a PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. After you select Save as PDF, pay attention to any options related to layout, quality, or what pages you intend to save, especially if your website consists of multiple pages. You might want to look for the More Settings button to see if you need to make any adjustments to suit your needs. Additionally, ensure that it includes things like images and hyperlinks if those are necessary for your document. Lastly, confirm that everything looks good by reviewing the print preview display. When you're satisfied, click the Save button to complete the process. Choose a suitable location on your computer where you would like to store the PDF file and give it a memorable name that will help you easily find it later. Once that's all set, simply hit Save, and there you have it. Your Wix website is now safely stored as a PDF for your unlimited offline viewing pleasure. Thank you for watching and happy archiving.